Hello and welcome to the Exodus channel, your home for Exodus tutorials and the best crypto videos. Be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons and we will keep the videos coming. In this video, we'll learn how to stake Solana and earn SOL tokens as a reward. It's easy to do and does not require any technical knowledge. The easiest and quickest way to stake Solana is with Exodus. If you don't already have Exodus on your computer or phone, tap the download link in the top right for a free download or visit exodus.com. We'll quickly go over how to stake Solana in the phone app, followed by desktop. Here we are in the Exodus mobile app. I'm going to open my Solana wallet where I have some SOL tokens. If you do not have SOL tokens, you can easily send them to your Exodus Solana wallet with your Solana address or quickly exchange another crypto for it. Once you have Solana coins in your wallet, tap the badge icon in the top right corner, which opens the Solana staking screen. The current annual percentage yield, or APY, is displayed, but it's important to know that the APY rate for Solana isn't fixed. It can fluctuate based on network conditions. Tap Stake SOL and enter the amount you'd like to stake. Keep in mind that staked SOL cannot be sent or exchanged until it is unstaked. I'm going to stake most of it, but we'll leave a fraction unstaked to cover future transaction fees for things like unstaking, interacting with Solana dApps, or sending other Solana-based tokens such as Serum. Since Solana's transaction fees are super low, 0.01 Solana should be more than enough to cover hundreds of transactions. Of course, you can select all if you wish and deposit more Solana whenever you'd like. Tap Stake SOL and you're set. Solana staking is active. Rewards will begin generating in about 4 to 8 days and are automatically added to your staked balance. If you want to unstake your tokens, simply click the Unstake SOL button. It'll take about 2 days for the unstaking process to complete. Let's move over to the desktop app where the Rewards app makes it super simple to stake Solana and earn rewards. So here we are in Exodus. First go to Settings and tap the Apps tab. Find the Rewards app, click Install and open. We then see Solana SOL and its APY rate. Again, the APY rate isn't fixed and fluctuates based on network conditions. Click the Start Earning button to get started. Enter how many SOL tokens you'd like to stake. Remember, staked SOL cannot be sent or exchanged until it is unstaked. I'm going to stake most of it, but we'll leave a bit unstaked to cover future transaction fees. Click Stake SOL, and that's it. Solana staking is active. Rewards will begin generating in about 4 to 8 days and are automatically added to your staked balance. If you no longer wish to earn rewards and want to unstake your tokens, simply click the Unstake SOL button. It'll take about 2 days for the unstaking process to complete. Click on our Solana SOL video to learn what makes Solana such a popular crypto asset. And be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos from Exodus.